is Garin and I have cleared my IELTS exam with an overall score of 7.5 band, and I have also scored a whopping 8.5 band in speaking. It all started when my parents had a word with me to that I had to appear for my IELTS exam after I cleared my boards, because they had planned to send me to Canada for my higher education. After clearing my boards, we did a couple of research. We stumbled upon some coaching institutes which dwelt in IELTS coaching. But after I had a word with my aunt, she referenced Visa Solutions4u, and after which I came to the office. I had a word with the staff, and there I came to know the fact that apart from doing IELTS coaching, they were also indulged in visa processing for students, which was a two-in-one factor for me. And apart from all that, what really made me attracted to them was their hospitality towards us, and that factor actually made them trustworthy. And after which, in the month of April, I had enrolled into their IELTS coaching, and within 2 months, by the first week of June, I had appeared for my IELTS exam, and I had cleared my IELTS exam in the first attempt. And speaking of my former teacher, Miss Madhuri ma'am, she's a very kind and friendly teacher that, in my opinion, I knew about some instances we used to crack jokes in the middle of class, and that really enlightened the atmosphere, and it really made me comfortable to study in such a positive environment. And the journey of my IELTS exam was absolutely fantastic, and it has been a very new experience for me. And I'm also looking forward to be in touch with Visa Solutions4u for more of updates, and I thank them for helping me out to pass my IELTS exam. Thank you.
This was a valuable feedback from one of our satisfied client who was able to crack his IELTS with more than 8,777. We were able to help more than 500 students in last financial year. Now we are eagerly waiting to assist you further. So what are you waiting for? Do call us now on 95 512 51295 and start your classes with us.